I will tell you what, one of the most annoying things in the world in Europe is this. Take a look at this. This stupid folder. I don't know how they get all bent out of shape like that, but you see that this hook doesn't meet the tine like the one in the back does. Look, the one in the back works fine, but the one in the front doesn't. And so you can't go through your folder because stuff gets all lost there. So let's try to fix it. Now you're gonna see it's a little off axis here, but not too much. Actually, it's not missing by very much. It's more off axis the other way. You'll see here that it's too far off axis. It's not meeting the point it needs to. So what we're gonna try to do is bend it upwards in that way a little bit using a pliers. So first things first, gonna bend it up a little bit. But in fact, it's still not meeting, as you can see there. So what we're gonna do next is try to bend it here along the stem. So in order to do that, I need to have this closed, as you see here. And I'm gonna bend it here against that stem. And let's see if it works now. Not yet. All right, so my intuition told me I had to bend this part, but that's not working. So what I'm gonna do instead is try to bend this part towards this guy. Let's see if that works. I'm just gonna bend this way a little bit. Did that help? Oh, very nice. Look at that, now it closes. That's good. It's still a little off, though. I'm gonna bend it back just a little bit. That way, you can see it's a little off. So let me bend it back just a little. Tell you, this is annoying and I don't understand how these things get off all the time. Excellent. Now it's working. Finally. So, very nice. So what you have to know is get yourself a pliers and don't bend here the hook part. Instead, bend this part here, the stem. Alrighty, I hope that this video is helpful for you guys with this really silly, difficult folder system. Bye now.